Mr. Sri Krishna Gupta, member of the promoter group. Mr. Viresh Sahoni, Chief Financial Officer. Ms. Pranjal Mahapure, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. We would also like to give a warm welcome to Ms. Parvati Murthy, AVP NSC SME. Now I kindly request the dignitaries on stage and their families to join us for the lamp lighting ceremony. Please proceed towards the lamp. The light of the lamp symbolizes prosperity, well-being, and positivity, illuminating the path ahead. stand around the lamp and light this for a prosperous beginning.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Thank you everyone for lighting the lamp to mark a new and prosperous beginning for Lloyds Enterprises Limited. Kindly take your seats. I would like to now invite Mr. Babulal Agarwal, Chairman and Managing Director, to share his journey on this significant occasion. Please come forward, sir.
Good morning to everybody and welcome to everybody. Today is a monumental day in the history of Lloyds Enterprises as we officially mark our listing on the National Stock Exchange of India. It is an honor to stand before you and celebrate the significant milestone which represents the culmination of decades of hard work and vision. Our journey in the stock market began in 1987 when Lloyds Enterprises was first listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Over the years, as our business evolved and grew, we saw the need to bring our identity with the Lloyds Group, a name that has become a synopsis with excellence, integrity, and consistent growth. That is when Sri Global Trade Fin Limited transformed into Lloyds Enterprises, aligning our brand with our sister companies and positioning ourselves for the future. The Lloyds family has grown into a powerhouse, with each entity making its mark in the industries it serves. Our flagship, Lloyds Metals and Energy Limited, now boasts a market capitalization of over 50,000 crores, a true leader in its sector. Lloyds Engineering Works Limited follows closely with a market cap of nearly 10,000 crores, excelling in the engineering and manufacturing services. Lloyds Enterprises itself has grown to a market capitalization of close to rupees 6,000 crores, a reflection of our focused strategy and commitments to delivering value. Not to be forgotten, our SME platform listed entity, Lloyds Luxury Limited, is carving out a niche of its own, adding diversity and strength to our overall portfolio. Our group has seen multifold growth over the past 4 years, a period in which we faced global challenges, economic fluctuation, and shift in the market landscape. Yet Lloyds Enterprises and the entire Lloyds family have emerged stronger thanks to the hard work, vision, and adaptability of our team. We have not only sustained our momentum, but built a path towards sustainable long-term growth. Lloyds Enterprises holds a meaningful stakes in all the Lloyds companies, which translates into significant intrinsic value of our shareholders. We believe in our group's potential, and our stake in these entities is a testament to our confidence in the growth and future prospects of each company. But that is not the only area where Lloyds Enterprises is creating value. In addition to our involvement within the group, Lloyds Enterprises has made a strategic investment in other listed and non-listed entities, which we expect will unlock significant value over the long term. Our team has worked diligently to identify areas where we can make a lasting impact, and we are confident that these decisions will yield strong results. But investment is just one part of our story. Lloyds Enterprises also engages in various trading activities, a cornerstone of our operation that has contributed to our steady and consistent growth. Our trading efforts, combined with our investments and strategic focus, have allowed us to build a strong foundation for the future. As we step into the new chapter with our NSE listing, we remain committed to upholding the values that have been at the core of Lloyds Enterprises since the beginning: transparency, integrity, and accountability. These values are not just words to us, they are the principles that guide every decision we make, and we are dedicated to maintaining the highest standard of corporate governance. In closing, I want to express my deepest appreciation to all our stockholders, our shareholders, employees, partners, clients, and communities. Your support has been instrumental in shaping Lloyds Enterprises into the company it is today. Thank you for being part of the journey, and here to a bright, prosperous future for Lloyds Enterprises and all those associated with us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for those inspirational words. Can we give him another round of applause, please? I would like to now invite Mr. Viresh Sahoni, Chief Financial Officer, to share his thoughts on this occasion.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed momentous day for all of us at Lloyds Enterprises Limited, as I am honored to be addressing you as a Chief Financial Officer on the significant occasion. Today, we are not just celebrating another chapter in our company journey, but we are also reflecting on the incredible transformation we have witnessed over last few years. When I look back at where we were in 2021 with just 2,300 shareholders and compared to it to today with over 55,000 shareholders as of June 24, it fills me with immense pride. This exponential growth in our shareholders base is not just a number. It is a testament to the confidence that investors have placed in us, which each one of you have become a vital part of the growth story, and your belief in our vision has been the driving force behind the strides we have made. The phenomenal rise in shareholder numbers speaks to more than just financial success. It reflects our commitment to transparency, governance, and long-term value creation. It signifies that Lloyds Enterprises is seen as a reliable partner in wealth generation, both for individual and institutional investors. We have also placed immense value on building trust with our shareholders, and today that trust has translated into real number and real growth. Our journey has begun on the strategic alignment and adaptation when we first started in the capital market back in 1987. Things have moved a mile ahead now. However, as the landscape of our business evolved, so did our identity. We transitioned to Lloyds Enterprises to align ourselves more closely with the Lloyds Group, a name synonymous with resilience, excellence, and forward thinking. Lloyds Enterprises, much like our sister companies Lloyds Metals and Energy, Lloyds Engineering Works, and Lloyds Luxuries, has developed into a multifaceted entity that stands at an intersection of various industries. Our group as a whole has emerged strong, weathering economic fluctuations, geopolitical uncertainty, and market challenges. The results speak for themselves, as we have not only maintained momentum but growth significantly over the last 4 years. Today, we find ourselves on the cusp of new opportunities driven by the commitment to innovation, sustainability, and excellence. One of the key strengths of Lloyds Enterprises has been its ability to adapt and seize opportunities in sectors that promise long-term growth. For instance, we recently ventured into the real estate space with a strategic 60% stake in Lloyds Realty Developers Limited. This move signifies our confidence in potential of the real estate market, and we believe this investment will yield significant returns over the coming years. As we continue to grow, our strategic investments will serve as the bedrock for sustained value creation. These investments are not merely transitional. They represent our long-term commitment to industries that are pivotal to India's growth story. But being deeply involved in sectors such as real estate and manufacturing, we are not just diversifying our portfolio but also cementing our position as forward-looking enterprise. With financial performance is an essential indication of our growth, it is just one part of our story. I will keep it brief. Lloyds Enterprises surpassed 1,000 crores in revenue for FY24 with a nearly 4x increase in comprehensive income. Our PAT for FY24 grew 6 times compared to the previous year, reflecting the significant strides we have made across our business segments. These figures show our operational efficiency and financial discipline, but what truly excites us is the potential for future growth through strategic investment and diversification. One of the core principles driving Lloyds Enterprises is our commitment to innovation and sustainability. In today's rapidly challenging world, standing still is not an option. We constantly seek out new avenues for growth, whether through technological advancement, sustainable practices, or entry into high-growth sector. For instance, as part of our commitment to environmental sustainability, we are exploring ways to incorporate green technologies into our operations. This includes investing in renewable energy, sustainable practice across the trading and manufacturing activities. We understand that the future business is deeply intertwined with the future of the planet, and as we grow, we want to ensure that our success is harmony with the world around us. None of the success would be possible without the incredible team of Lloyds Enterprises. Behind every decision, every investment, and every milestone is a dedicated group of individuals who work tirelessly to ensure that we meet our goals. Our employees are the backbone of the company, and their dedication, passion, and innovative thinking are what set us apart. We have built a culture of excellence within Lloyds Enterprises, a culture that encourages new ideas, rewards hard work, and fosters collaboration. As we continue to grow, we will remain committed to nourishing this culture and ensuring that Lloyds Enterprises remain a place where talent can thrive and innovation can flourish. As we look to the future, we do so with optimism and confidence. The foundation we have laid over the past few years positions us well to capitalize the opportunities that lie ahead. Whether through strategic investments, expanding our trading portfolio, or entering new sectors, we are ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities of tomorrow. Our vision for Lloyds Enterprises is one that balances growth and responsibility, profitability and sustainability, and ambition with integrity. We believe that by staying true to these principles, we will continue to create value for all of our stakeholders, shareholders, employees, partners, and communities alike. In conclusion, I want to express my deepest gratitude to the stakeholders for your unwavering trust and support. Your belief in Lloyds Enterprises has been the cornerstone of the success. We remain committed to delivering on that trust in the years to come. I also want to thank our incredible team whose dedication and hard work has made all this possible. As we move forward, I am confident that Lloyds Enterprises will continue to rise to new heights. Together, we will build a future. This is bright, prosperous, and sustainable. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those insightful words. Now I would like to welcome Ms. Parvati Murthy, AVP, NSE SME, to say a few words.
Shri Babulal Agarwal ji, MD, Lloyds Enterprises Limited. Shri Viresh Sohoni ji, CFO, Lloyds Enterprises Limited. Ms. Pranjal Mahapure, Company Secretary, Lloyds Enterprises Limited. Distinguished guests, the family members, the board of directors, the employees, family members, all the well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and a warm welcome to all of you to the listing ceremony of Lloyds Enterprises Limited. NSE is proud to welcome Lloyds Enterprises Limited to its families of listed corporates. This would be the 2,619th company to be listing on the NSE platform. India is the 4th largest capital market in the world in terms of market capitalization after US, China, and Japan. NSE listed companies have a market capitalization of 5.47 trillion US dollars. That's 460 lakh crores. And from today onwards, Lloyd Enterprises Limited will be an integral part of NSE's market capital of NSE. NSE's market capitalization has grown about 115 times in rupee terms since 1994 when NSE started its operations. NSE today has over 10 crore unique investors in the stock market, having 19 crore accounts. That's close to 20% of all households directly investing in the stock market. NSE registered investors today cover 99.85% of all PIN codes in the country, while only 30 PIN codes do not have a registered investor. We at NSE are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities and make capital markets more accessible for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories. We hope that today's successful listing of Lloyds Enterprises Limited will inspire many more companies to look at listing at NSE. We hope that this listing day is the start of a strong partnership going forward between us. NSE looks forward to supporting you in all your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Please stay with us on stage as we commemorate the significance of this event with an exchange of mementos. First, Ms. Parvati Murthy, AVP NSE SME, will present a special NSE listing memento to Mr. Mukesh Gupta, founder and promoter, Lloyds Enterprises. NSE will also present proud badges for employees who could not join us today. Kindly give them a round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, please stay with us. Now I invite Mr. Babulal Agarwal, founder and managing director, Lloyds Enterprises Limited, to present a special memento to Ms. Parvati Murthy, AVP, NSE SME. Please share a round of applause for them, please. Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite Ms. Pranjali Mahapure, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, to receive a memento from Mr. Babulal Agarwal. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have been waiting for has arrived. The historic moment when Lloyds Enterprises Limited would see itself listed on the National Stock Exchange. I would request all the esteemed dignitaries and guests who have worked endlessly to make this listing a grand success to move towards the NSE bell for the bell ringing ceremony. We will begin the countdown when 10 seconds shows on the timer. Some of you can come on this side as well. We have 18 seconds, 17 to go. Get ready for the countdown, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! Lloyds Enterprises Limited is officially listed on the National Stock Exchange. A huge milestone Congratulations, everyone. Please take your seats. I would now like to welcome esteemed employee of Lloyds Enterprises Limited, Ms. Pranjal Mahapure, Company Secretary, who would like to briefly address this gathering and give a vote of thanks. Please give her a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, esteemed guest and board of director. As a company secretary of Lloyds Enterprises Limited, it's both an honor and privilege to stand before you today at our NSE listing and bell ringing ceremony. It is indeed a historic day for our company as we mark a significant milestone, our company's listing on a National Stock Exchange of India Limited. We believe that the foundation of our success lies is not just a business strategies, but in our adherences to the highest standard of corporate governance. At Lloyd Enterprises, we understand that the sound corporate governance practices are the cornerstone of our sustainable and successful business. Today's listing signifies a commitment to upholding the transparency and accountability in every aspect of our operations. By joining the National Stock Exchange, we are reaffirming our dedication to creating long-term value of our shareholders while operating in a manner that is ethical, responsible, and transparent. We are committed to maintaining the highest standard of our corporate governance practices. And as the company secretary, I assure our stakeholders that we will continue to uphold these values in everything we do. To all our shareholders and investors, I assure that we remain dedicated by enhancing your trust and delivering on our promise of sustainable growth and success. We are truly grateful to the NSE for their guidance and support throughout this process. I would also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to our secretarial team who are ensured that we are here today in compliance with necessary regulation. Before I conclude, I would like to take a moment to express my sincere thanks to everyone who has made this day possible. To the NSE official and their team, thank you for your collaboration and support. I would also like to thank my organization committee to ensuring this event is a success. In conclusion, today is a day of celebration, not just for Lloyds Enterprises, but for everyone who has believed in us. The road ahead is filled with opportunities, and I'm confident that together we will achieve the greater heights. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We are grateful to our host, NSE, members of the board, family and friends, well-wishers, shareholders, and all of you who took time to celebrate this momentous occasion. I would like to invite Mr. Babulal Agrawal to join us on stage for a photograph. And I thank all of you once again to be with us today. Can we have a round of applause, please? We have refreshments laid out on the right-hand side in the next room. Once this event is over, you'll proceed for a lovely breakfast. Sir, please join us in the center. Yes, ma'am. Ms. Parvati Murthy, AVP NSE SME. Please give them a round of applause, everyone. This is a joyous occasion today. Congratulations once again to all of you present today and to Lloyds Enterprises Limited. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Thank you so much.